Hello everyone. So in today's video I want to talk about how you can actually make cool cash from Facebook without creating video. Like what I mean is that use people's video and be making cool cash on Facebook, guys. So that's what I'm going to talk about. So you don't need to sit down and start filming video. You can actually be making cool cash on Facebook using other people's video. I hope before now you might have known that Nigerian is not eligible for monetization. So you can actually turn your profile into a page, or you can actually create a page and you start creating content. Even if you did not see that to film video the way I'm doing, you can actually be uploading people's video and be making cool cash with it. So in today's video, if that sound like if you are somebody that you are a camera shy, I know that I don't think there's nobody that doesn't like taking pictures. So you can just do a little video of yourself, or you can just attach a picture to a particular video that you have downloaded in order for you to re-upload it on Facebook. Doing that makes the content looks original. Remember, original content does not necessarily mean that you need to sit down and start filming yourself the way you are watching me right now. You can actually, okay, like this video I'm making now, someone can actually download this my video and re-edit this re-edit this video, either by adding pictures or still adding videos, and people will actually watch and the person will be making cool cash from it, guys. As simple as that. You don't need to edit too much. You don't need much editing, guys. So if you are somebody that you are just talking about like you don't know how to edit videos, or you don't know how to do some stuff like that, guys, you don't actually need much edition on this particular tutorial, on this particular aspect, I mean. So stay with me to the end of this video and I'm going to walk you through that step on how you can actually make cool cash on Facebook using other people's content. So guys, if this is your first time of coming across my page, please do well to follow this page for more tips like this. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, and also leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know if you find it helpful, and if there's anything you want me to make a video on, so you can just leave it right down there in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Let me show you how you can achieve this. It's a simple tutorial on how you can make money on Facebook using people's video. I guess by now you might have already downloaded a video you want to make use of, or even if it's picture. If it's picture, what you just need to do is to attach your own videos to it. Then if it's a video, what you need to do is to attach a picture to it. Let it be like you are talking about a particular thing in that video. So I've already downloaded the video in my phone, so I'll just head over to InShot. I'm going to make use of InShot for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'll just click on this video. I'll click on new. So I'll just go ahead and click on video, guys. So I'll click. Let me check where I'm going to find that particular video. I'll just click on here. So this is the video I want to make use of. Okay, so after that, so this is the video I want to make use of. So after that, let me just play the video so that you are going to watch it and listen to it. Okay.
Poverty sat me down on a Saturday morning, one-on-one, and told me, said, I will kill you. You think it's a joke? Poverty sat.
Okay, this is the video. So I will just need to add a video. It's either I add a video to this video, or I can actually add a picture to this video. So I will just click on PIP here. So I'll just go ahead and click on recent because I've already downloaded the video. So I'll click on this. When I click on this, I'll just okay, let me. So this is the video I just added to it. So I'll just go ahead and click on remove background. Okay, so in short, you see cut out. So I highlighted the video and click on cut out. You can see that it has automatically removed the background, so you just have to um expand the video and take it to where you want it to be. I can either keep this video down here. I think keeping it down is better, but if I should want to keep it up here, I'll just have to reduce the size of this video. You can actually place it anywhere you want it to be, so I can actually keep it here. Okay, but if I still want to keep it up here, it's going to block, so I can actually go ahead and keep it somewhere. Let's place
Poverty sat me down on a Saturday morning, one-on-one, and told me, said, you, I will kill you. You think it's a joke? Poverty sat me down, face to face, told me personally, say, you, I will kill you.
So that's it. You can see if I should drag here, you can see that the video I recorded is longer than the video itself, so you can just go ahead and cut it out anyway, because I just did this video for the purpose of this tutorial. So right now I've cut it out to be the same length with those video, so I'll just go ahead and click here. Right, if I want to add a picture, you can still go ahead, click here and look for a picture that I'm gonna use. Can just go ahead and use any picture to make it realistic. So I'll just click on this picture and go ahead to remove BG. After removing BG, I'll just size this picture and then I can bring it up here. So guys, that's how you can actually use other people's video to be making money online. By doing this, it makes this video look surreal, like you are the one that created this video. Do you understand? So this video is original content. Does not necessarily mean that you have to film it yourself. By using other people's to make you can be using other people's video to be making money just by this simple step. You can just play around with it. You know what you want from this, you can actually make a cool video out of it. So guys, that's that for that. So I'll just go ahead. If I want this thing to be to the end of this video, I'll just click on video and it will automatically fill into the end of this video, and that's it.
Poverty sat me down on a Saturday morning, one-on-one, and told me, said, you, I will kill you. You think it's a joke? Poverty sat me down, face to face, told me personally, say, you, I will.
So about this the first video I added to this video is a kind of reaction video. So let it just be as if the video is just playing on your head, like you can just be imagining, like just first of what I did is just I played this video first of all on my phone. I know that the kind of thing that looks surprised, you just need to like give it a kind of look. So just like let it just be on your head that poverty sat me down. You just like a kind of shock, surprise look. That's what it actually means, guys. So that's it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow this page for more tips like this, like those videos and share it to as many people that may need right now. Bye guys, thank you for watching.